Packing for a trip? Stop. Before you throw everything into your suitcase, let me show you 10 genius packing hacks that will save space, prevent spills, and make your travels stress-free. Stick around for a bonus hack that flight attendants swear by. Folding takes up space. Rolling is the secret. Roll your clothes tightly to save space and avoid wrinkles. Plus, it makes finding outfits easier. Packing cubes keep your suitcase neat, compressed, and easy to unpack. Use separate cubes for clothes, accessories, and dirty laundry. Nothing's worse than shampoo exploding in your bag. Remove the bottle cap, place plastic wrap over the opening, and screw the cap back on. No more messy surprises. Keep your clothes clean. Pack shoes in shower caps to prevent dirt from getting on your outfits. Jewelry tangled in your bag? Use a pill organizer to store earrings, rings, and other small accessories without losing them. Maximize space by storing socks, chargers, and small items inside your shoes. It keeps them from getting squished and saves space. Want your clothes to smell fresh after a long flight? Place dryer sheets between your clothes to keep them smelling great. Lost passport? Missed hotel details? Snap photos of your important documents and store them in your phone for quick access. Need extra storage? Stuff clothes inside a pillowcase to make a travel pillow that also saves luggage space. Bringing back souvenirs? Pack a foldable bag so you always have extra space for shopping or emergencies. Which hack blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more genius travel tips, don't forget to subscribe for the best travel hacks. Bonus hack: flight attendants swear by using a dryer sheet inside shoes to keep them fresh.